Have you ever stumbled upon a mystery so bizarre that even the world's greatest minds couldn't solve it? Throughout history, archaeologists have unearthed artifacts and structures that defy logic, leaving us with more questions than answers. From ancient technologies to inexplicable structures, these 5 archaeological discoveries continue to baffle scientists to this day. 1. The Antikythera mechanism, the ancient Greek computer. In 1901, sponge divers exploring a shipwreck off the coast of Antikythera, Greece, made a shocking discovery. Among the treasure trove of artifacts was a corroded, gear-filled mechanism unlike anything seen before. At first, the Antikythera mechanism seemed like a simple lump of bronze. But X-ray analysis later revealed an intricate system of gears, suggesting an advanced level of engineering that should have been impossible for its time. How could the ancient Greeks have built something so sophisticated over 2,000 years ago? The complexity of this device shattered everything we thought we knew about ancient technology, leaving scientists puzzled and searching for answers. Recent studies suggest that the mechanism was an ancient analog computer, capable of predicting astronomical events with astonishing accuracy. But if the Greeks had such advanced technology, what other inventions might have been lost to history? The Voynich manuscript, the book that no one can read. Discovered in 1912 by rare book dealer Wilfred Voynich, this mysterious manuscript is filled with unknown symbols, bizarre illustrations, and cryptic texts that no one has ever been able to decipher. Despite the efforts of linguists, codebreakers, and even AI, the Voynich manuscript remains unreadable. Every attempt to translate its pages has led to dead ends. Was it a lost language, an elaborate hoax, or a message from an unknown civilization? The frustration of never understanding its meaning keeps experts awake at night, desperate to uncover its secrets. Some researchers believe it might be a coded medical text, while others think it could be an alien language. But until someone cracks the code, the Voynich manuscript remains one of history's greatest enigmas. 3. The Baghdad Battery. Did ancient civilizations have electricity? In the 1930s, archaeologists unearthed strange clay jars near Baghdad, Iraq. Inside, they found copper cylinders and iron rods that resembled modern-day batteries. Experts were stunned. Could ancient civilizations have discovered electricity thousands of years before Benjamin Franklin's famous kite experiment? The implications were staggering. If these jars were batteries, what were they used for? Electroplating, medical treatments, or something even more advanced that we still don't understand? Scientists have tried to replicate the Baghdad battery's function, and some experiments have shown it could generate small amounts of electricity. But why it was made and who first realized its potential remains an unsolved mystery. The Piri Reis map. A map that shouldn't exist. In 1513, an Ottoman admiral named Piri Reis compiled a world map that featured an astonishingly accurate depiction of Antarctica, centuries before it was officially discovered. How could a 16th century map include a continent that was supposedly unknown? Even more puzzling, the landmass is drawn without ice, showing what Antarctica might have looked like thousands of years ago. Did Piri Reis have access to ancient maps from a lost civilization? If so, who created them? And how did they possess knowledge that modern science only recently uncovered? Some theories suggest that the map is evidence of an advanced prehistoric civilization. But without concrete proof, the Piri Reis map remains a haunting question mark in human history. 5. The Stone Spheres of Costa Rica. The perfectly carved enigma. Scattered across the jungles of Costa Rica are massive, perfectly round stone spheres, some weighing over 15 tons. The indigenous people had no written records explaining their purpose. Why were these spheres made? Some researchers believe they were markers for celestial alignments, while others think they were status symbols or boundary markers. The precision with which these stones were shaped is mind-boggling, especially considering the primitive tools available at the time. Could they have been created with techniques we still don't understand? Despite numerous theories, no one knows for sure why these spheres exist. Were they part of a lost culture's grand design, or do they hold a secret we have yet to decipher? History is full of mysteries that challenge everything we think we know. These 5 discoveries push the boundaries of human knowledge, leaving us to wonder, what else is buried beneath the sands of time, waiting to be found? Perhaps the next great archaeological revelation is just around the corner, ready to change history forever.